Alright, I thought I'd share a quick little pointer for you guys, a little trick I thought up recently. I don't know if other people do this, but popped into my mind while I was trying to figure out how to mount some LEDs. But see, I engraved here about 0.1 inch into this with a 45-degree angle cutter, and this is from the back side, so you'll see the engraving through the shiny front of the box. And what I did here is I set my saw and I did a curve cut, and then I scooted it over about a 32nd of an inch and took a little more so that they would tuck in and fit nicely. And that's my LEDs, and they tuck right in and all the way around, and they should light this panel up real good. This panel goes in this box here, and we got some smooth, might shoot a little bit of satin clear on this one. It does look really nice like it is, but I don't know, we keep going back and forth of whether we want to leave it with the matte finish or if we want to go with the satin. Anyway, back to my little trick. This should light up really cool. This is an RGB, so we'll be able to pick whatever color lighting we want in that box, and should be lots of fun. A couple of real beautiful subs going in this thing. DC XL Elite 15s with some custom powder coat. Should be really beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.